Hi guys, Paul here from Pilgrim MotorSports and Muscles Car. What have we got for you today? 65 Fastback, one of the best we've ever had in here. Absolutely stunning car. I know I use the word all the time, but it really is. Have a look at this. It's not quite Eleanor Grey, but it's very close. But absolutely beautiful colour, beautiful colour. This car has had a full restoration, complete body restoration and mechanical restoration. So again, it's had the whole thing done. So you've got to have all the normal worries when you're buying a used classic car. But have a quick look at how good this car is down the side. Absolutely stunning. I get out the way so you can have a really good look. Beautiful, beautiful car. The chrome is set off so well with this grey. If you have a look at these beautiful bullet style wing mirrors, which are really heavy, quality piece of bling, one might say. Also, this has got the Magnum 500 wheels on it, as you can see from the front there. So you've got this beautiful chrome area here, good depth, so it gives that, you know, real sort of chunky look on the car. And the rear wheel is even bigger, which really does look beautiful. You can see the depth here of all this chrome. Look at that. It really does look fabulous. Obviously on BF Goodrich tyres, which obviously white face. So absolutely great looking car, fabulous wheels. All this is beautiful. All under here, there's no filler. Just paint finish on this is really quality. This was done in America, but you can see if you get a chance, have a look down the side of the car. You can see it's absolutely ping straight. All the door shuts, etc., fit beautifully. The shut lines are all good. The chrome is all good all the way around. The boot looks great. Obviously this must have all been renewed when the restoration was going on. New bumper, new headlight, rear lights rather, tail lights. You can see down here you've got the twin exhausts, stainless steel exhausts, beautiful chrome ends. And then you can have another look down this side. Absolutely stunning car. If we have a look in the interior as well, you'll see that the front seats have got black leather. So they've gone to the nth degree. Obviously all the carpets are new, headlining's new, dashboard, steering, 5-speed Tremec gearbox. It's got the rally pack. You can see here, rev counter and clock. Beautiful condition. The door cards, all lovely and smooth. No chipping along here, which you can see. You know, whoever restored it have done a great job. They've painted this whole area before they've put the door cards on, so there's no chipping, because you get a lot of chipping around these areas where people over 50 years have had rings on or something like that, and of course they chip the paint. But so it's been done absolutely properly. Let's have a look underneath the bonnet of this beautiful 65. We've done a lot of work to this car, just making it absolutely right. We've put power steering onto it. We've as I've already explained, we've had the 5-speed gearbox, Tremec gearbox, so that's a new one. We've put the Edelbrock Aluminium heads on this. It's got a performance inlet manifold as well, Edelbrock, and the 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor on it. So it really has brought the performance of this car up superbly. Drives lovely. The 5-speed gearbox with this engine, motorway work, you can go, well, you can only do 70 miles an hour, of course, but if you did happen to make a mistake and go a little bit faster, it's, you know, this car will be quite capable. If you get on an autobahn, shall we say, and you want to go faster, it'll cruise all day long. Well, it's time to have a look underneath, which is always, as I always say, and I'm sure people get bored with me saying, you've got to make sure it's right underneath. So let's have a quick look. This car's had all of it done. So I can go through everything nut and bolt if you wish me to, but that would take too long and you get bored with the video. So I'm just going to point out a few things that it's had done. It's had the discs upgrade. You can see here with calipers and discs. It's had all new bottom arms put on it. It's got the thicker anti-roll bar as well going around here. It's had an upgrade Borgessen power steering, which we put on. So it's slightly more modern than the original one. So it works really well. Long tube headers, you can see coming down here, going into stainless steel exhaust, which has got the X, as you can see, so it's got X-flow exhaust. Then while we're here, we might as well have a look at the floors. Look at these floors, they're just beautiful. You know, you can see the chassis here again. These are the parts that I always say that, you know, get that sort of deformity, but these are all beautiful. A little bit muddy because we've just brought it round, but but you can see it's all been done with underseal correctly, pore 15. It could be lizard skin, I think they've done it with again. You can feel it, you can hear it hopefully on the video. You know, that really is good quality rust proofing. Obviously we've got here, we put a new gearbox in as well, which, so you can see a brand new gearbox. That went in recently, 5-speed, so for motorway driving and general enjoyment, much better. Props all been done, all into the back. Magnaflows, which you may have heard the name, it's an American company, Magnaflow exhausts. Diffs all been done, all been painted correctly. And it's difficult for you to see because it's dark, but all up inside here is just all fabulous. It's all been done, all the chassis, there's no cracking. You know, it's all been done in that pore 15 or lizard skin. You've got Ride Tech dampers at the back as well, giving it a bit more sure-footedness. Petrol tank, again, must have been new when it was done. The exhausts are pretty much brand new. All the other parts have been reconditioned. And again, it's just having a look at all this sort of chassis here, if you can see it. It's as good as new. It really is. Everything's rock solid. This is where, you know, if you don't get it right, this is where it can cost you a lot of money to put these things right. But this is really in tip-top condition. The car is gorgeous from top to bottom. If you're looking for an investment and some fun and you want a 65 fastback, this has got to be one of the top 3 out there in the country, I'd imagine, at the moment. Stunning car and a beautiful car to drive. Can't wait to go and give it a run.